go to your Google Drive, press New, More, SketchUp for Schools. Make sure you select the template that's for millimeters. Remove the person. Select the rectangle tool. On the horizontal plane, draw a rectangle. In the dimensions, type in 210, 12. It will come up quite small, however you can use your 2 fingers to scroll up to zoom in. Now select push pull and push your rectangle up and type in 70 in the dimension box. Orbit around so you can see it properly. Select the mouse tool, highlight your entire piece, 2-finger click, make component, call your component the side. Now we are simply going to press Command C for copy. There's no drop down menu for copy, so select the piece, press Command C and then Command V and you'll paste the other side. There's no need to draw the sides twice. Once you draw one component, you simply copy and paste. Now we are drawing the end. Type in your dimensions, which will be 90 by 12 or 12 by 90. Push pull 70 high. Again, just typing in the dimension box. Orbit around so you can select the end without selecting anything else. 2-finger click, make component, call it the end. Now select that component, press copy and paste. Now we're going to attempt to put these components together. Pick the move tool, highlight a corner and marry that corner up with the other corner. Again, pick a corner, and marry it to the other corner. It's always easier selecting endpoints when marrying components together. I'm going to use the tape measure tool just to double check my measurements for the width and length of the box, so I can draw the base. The base will be 10 millimeters wider from each edge. Try and select the part on your horizontal plane, which gives you enough room to draw your bottom shape. And I'm going to make dimensions here, which are 20 millimeters wider than what the box was, so I have that overhang. Rewind the video and go back and see what dimensions I typed in if you're unsure. Okay, push pull. I'm going to push pull 20 millimeters high this time because it was slightly larger. I'm going to make the base a component by repeating the steps we did before. Call it the base. Now we're going to move that base into position. Firstly, we're going to marry that endpoint to the other endpoint on the box, on the bottom there. Sometimes you need to orbit around and fiddle around just so you can get that endpoint up with the other one. There we go. Now I'm going to get the move tool, orbit around so I can see that plane. The move tool on that plane, I'm going to move it across 10 millimeters. Orbit around so you're onto the front plane there. And again, get the move tool, move it across 10 millimeters. So we have that 10 mil overhang on each side. I'm going to double check my measurements again, length and width, in order to make the lid. Oop. Make sure you draw the rectangle on the right plane, on the bottom plane there. Horizontal plane, call it. The rectangle dimensions are the same as the top of the box. I'm going to push pull here to make it 20 millimeters high. Orbit around so you can see the bottom of the lid. You use an offset tool here. That's the offset there. Okay. See if you can draw that rectangle. Okay, you just simply have to type in 12 millimeters. That will offset that from the edge. You can push pull that down. Use 6 mil this time because we used slightly thinner plywood. Lastly, make that a component and call it the lid. Now we simply get the move tool, select that endpoint and marry it up to the endpoint on the sides of the box. And that completes the construction of the box. Make sure you save. Call it Pandora's box and then your name. And you can select the appropriate folder in Google Drive to save it to.